Hey, what's up, y'all, and welcome back to Hair Problems and No Edges. Today's video is going to be very special. I will be showing you guys how I styled my hair with this head wrap, and these are just leggings that you wear on a daily basis. So if y'all are interested in this style and y'all are feeling this look and you like to see how I created this look, then y'all stay tuned to the video. Let's go. All right, hey y'all. So like I said by the title of this video, we're going straight in with this turban look. So before I got started with the whole turban look, I went in and moisturized my hair with my Cantu shea butter. I did my DIY extra virgin olive oil with the peppermint and tea tree, and I also applied my other DIY grease serum, and all of those are on my channel. So if you have not watched those yet, please go back and watch those videos on how I made each ingredients and the ingredients that I use. So right now I'm just using some household leggings. Every woman out there in America has a pair of leggings, your favorite leggings, or it could just be an old pair of holy leggings that you don't even use no more. But these are great essentials to use for head wraps. And so you guys are probably wondering, what is that little gray thing sitting on top of my head? That gray thing is one of my leg warmers from the winter time that I do wear around my ankles just to keep my feet warm when I'm at work. So yes, that's what I use, and I really used that leg warmer because it was really thick and bulky, and I love a lot of height on the top of my head. So if that's not something that you like, you don't want nothing really sitting off your head really high like I have it on mine, then please go ahead and use just a regular sock, and it will minimize the height on top of your head. But moving right along, I just applied, the leg warmer, putting the butt in first and making sure the butt part, the pockets were on the back of my head. And so, yeah, I just put my head inside the hole and I gathered all the material to the front of the head. So right here is kind of tricky. I don't know if I can really explain this part. What I did was separated the legs, and I took the opposite leg, and I'm trying to cover up the part that I bunched up in the front. So when you gather the front, you're going to have excess material that you're going to need to be able to wrap, around this leg warmer or your sock. So you want to kind of wrap it kind of tight, but of course not tight enough where you're going to be having a headache later on. So all you can see me doing is just twisting. I have one leg that I've gathered, and I'm just wrapping that around, starting at the base of my forehead, and I'm just bringing it around to the bottom of the crown of my head. And you just want to lift it up right there and just tuck the material under. So any excess material, any strings, anything you have on your head wrap, on your legging, you just want to tuck it just to make it kind of look neat and you look a little bit more uniformed. So now just gathering the other leg, I'm just going to start wrapping in the opposite direction. And we're going to put that under the first leg we wrapped around the back. That's going at the bottom now. See me twisting it up underneath the first wrap? Yes, you want to put that second leg up underneath the first one. You just want to, and this is where it's get critical because you don't want to wrap it so tight that you get a headache like I stated before, but you want to wrap it tight enough that way that it'll stay all day because, you're going to keep moving your head left and right. You don't want it to just fall off when you're at the grocery store or at work or wherever you're going to be, or just sitting at the house looking cute for your man. You don't want it to fall off now. So right there, do y'all see that spot right there in the back? That's oils and the grease and the moisturizers that I have put in my hair. So FYI, that's why this is the DIY head wrap for all my ladies out there. Learn from my mistake. You don't want to moisturize your hair prior to the head wrap, unless it's like a black head wrap, something where the oil is not going to show up on the material. But because mine is like this light denim, it actually showed through. So for my FYI, for next time, I will understand and I will know not to oil and moisturize my hair prior to. Maybe I'll do it the day before so it won't seep through the material. So yeah, just still trying to, finesse the wrap, making sure everything is cool and cute and keeping it copacetic. I'm just pulling some edges out, the little sideburns, because they was already peeking through anyway. So I was like, well, let me just pull them out. They kind of look cute. So I'm just going to let them just, do their thing. So this could be a look. I'm just gonna call this look number one. This look number one, where you just want a little edges out, little sideburns. Now I'm giving you look number two. I'm going into look number two, y'all, right here, where you want to pull a little bit more of your edges out. So first the sideburns. Style two would be these little edges. If you don't want to look totally bald headed, pull extra hair uh, from up underneath the wrap. Just pull out some extra hairs. Use the tail end of the comb and just drag more hair towards the front. And that'll give you more hair out. And this is over the ear. If you guys like anything over your ear like it is right now, that can be another look right there. But you're going to see in a few minutes, I'm going to pull my ears out because I think my wrap looks a lot better with my ears out. So now I'm giving you kind of like a look number three where I slid the head wrap back. This is where I'm going in with the rat tail comb because I don't want, my forehead is kind of big. I mean, I don't know if y'all have a big forehead like mine's, but my forehead is like on a giganto scale. Like, I must be a descendant of one of the giants because my head is huge. And so, yeah, I want to kind of like minimize my forehead. So I'm bringing out a little bit more than enough hairs just to, camouflage and mask at, that big old forehead. And I'm just going to go in with some got-to-be glue. And we're going to gel down these sideburns, these little baby hairs, and get them popping for y'all real quick. So now this is style number three. So, I mean, this style is real versatile. Y'all can do what y'all want to do. You ain't got to do what I'm doing. I might get some, some negative naysayers in the comments or whatever. But, hopefully everybody will stay on a positive note. And that's why I always start my videos with saying, do you. Like, do you. This is like freestyling. Everybody does what they want to do. I'm doing what I want to do with my hair. If it doesn't fit you or suit you or any kind of product or anything, material that I'm using on my head, if you have some silk leggings, which is much better for your hair, then wrap your hair with the silk leggings. Because I have the cotton or the polyester ones or whatever this is, don't come for me in the comment section because my hair is overly moisturized, as you can tell, and I'm probably going to only wear it for that day. So I would be okay to wear these cotton polyester, leggings on my head and still not cause any damage to my natural hair. But like I say, do what's best for y'all. Like, stop coming for people in these comment sections because everybody do what they want to do. Like, this is just a video. And this is just my platform. If y'all have better ways, I say create your own platform. But anyways, getting back to the video, like I'm saying, I'm just creating some baby hairs. Just, doing something a little cute, just trying to finesse the head wrap, just so it just doesn't be a plain head wrap, but just trying to create some kind of goddess look now. We all queens out here. We gonna represent as such. And because I dyed my hair, y'all, this honey blonde, it is very hard to tell that my edges are there because it's kind of like blending in. So maybe certain ways that I turn in the light, you'll be able to see them. But my hair is very, very light. So there's baby hairs there, though. But I'm feeling this look. I love it. I hope y'all loving it, too, so far. And I hope y'all go out and try it. Yeah, just getting it all snatched. And so, the look is beautiful. I love it. It makes me feel good, confident. I can go outside. I'm slaying for the days. Like, seriously, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm slaying for all the days, period. So, instead of y'all always styling your hair, putting finger waves in it, or trying to get your curls to pop, give your hair a rest. So I would say this would be the rest type of hairstyle where you can still just style your little edges and just let the rest of your hair just chill for a minute. And it's looking so cute. Look at me giving y'all all type of life and body right now. It's just looking so good to me. So I'm giving y'all all type of face. But for me, I'm an ear girl. I got a lot of piercings in my ear. And so I wanna let my ear show. So I'm gonna put this head wrap behind my ear. And that's just gonna create the style for me. I love the way it look right now with the ears covered. But as you can see, I'm about to take my ears out because I have piercings and I have a lot of earrings, and it's kind of like I want to show them. So yeah, let's move that thing back. So this is why I say you kind of right, because I'm wearing my ear out. You definitely want to make sure if you're having your bun as big as mine's, because I use the legging, you better make sure you pull this kind of snug on your head. That way it does not fall off throughout the day. With it being, over your ears, that's kind of like a crutch and a safety net where it kind of stays on your hair because of your ears are holding on. But now that I have my ears out, please pull a little taut when you're doing that wrap. And this is so cute. I'm feeling it, despite all the little grease spots you see on it right now. But like I said, when I do this hair wrap again, I'm definitely not going to wear definitely not going to moisturize my hair prior. So hopefully y'all feeling this, y'all. This is so cute. Let me know if y'all going to try it. All right, y'all. So this brings us to the very end of the video. I hope y'all really liked the way I recreated this hairstyle using these leggings. And so if you guys like this video and you found this very informative and very helpful, and this is something that you might want to try on yourself, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe to this channel. I have more great ideas that I will be doing and have coming. Turn on your notification bells so you will be notified the next time that I upload another videos to this channel. So if you enjoyed, then I guess I'll see you guys again in my next one.